Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Julie of Julie's Plans. Today we are going to be doing a daily plan with me. Alright, so as you might notice, things are a little bit different here. I actually just got in the mail this backdrop along with a couple of others from this company called Plum Backdrops. I'll leave a link down below. I am not an affiliate in any way, shape, or form. In fact, I think it was someone on a previous video or on my Instagram DMs. I honestly can't find the person who recommended them, but this company does sell a variety of different backdrops, and what's great is the size. So it's like your typical poster board size, but it's on a very thick material, so it's going to last longer than poster board. And as you can see, it's pretty anti-glare for the most part. I do have a light right there, and it's kind of putting a little bit of glare right here, but the glare isn't right on top of what I am doing. And that was the issue that I was kind of having with filming right on my desk and using lights. Like right now I'm not using any lights, and it's pretty freaking awesome. It's also like almost 7 o'clock, so there's that. So anyway, just to give you a glimpse of how this week is doing, this is Tuesday. I didn't even check anything off. Here's Wednesday. There's Thursday, and here I am on Friday. Some weeks are just like that. Work has kind of like really just taken over all the things, and I've been really busy, but really loving it also. So I think in like just to kind of spice things up, if you will, I want to use some stickers. I honestly, the past few weeks have really been this way, where I haven't used stickers in quite some time just because I just haven't had time for it, but I miss it. I think it was July. Was it July? I mean, there was one sticker down. Yeah, July 29th was the last time that I did that. So I pulled out my little handy dandy sticker book of extra things. This is actually one of those Planner Kate sticker stash sticker book situations, and then it has like all the reusable sticker pages, and I just have some leftovers from Planner Kate in here, and I need to add more of her stickers to this book, but I have a ton of Chrissy Ann designs in here that I will be using just at random. So usually what I do is I just like pick a color scheme and stay with it, and that's how I do it. It's not really anything very complicated. I was going to do yellow, but I don't have a lot of the skinny labels that I thought I could use, so it might end up being pink because, oh my gosh, and there's a sticker trying to stick to me, but I just have a lot of pink stickers. I think that there's an additional pink area over here. Yup. So I'm going to grab some of those. So there's one. I think I need 4 of these. I don't have a lot of the skinny ones, but we can make it work. There's 3 of these, so that'll work. They're just lighter. I don't think it really matters. And we'll go with that. All right, so let's get started. So let's put the headers right about here. I love using extra stickers in my daily. It just adds a little something extra to it. So, like I said, work has been busy. I've been doing really well about filming ahead of time, and I just didn't get to this video. Plus, my favorite thing for dailies is to do them as close as possible to the actual date, if that makes sense. I don't like filming them really far ahead of time, if that makes sense. All right, so I'm going to use this Uni-Pen pen that I got from Cloth and Paper a while back. I'm sure you guys are very familiar with it. It writes really well on the Cloth and Paper, oh my gosh, on the Chrissy Ann Designs stickers. So let's just do focus right here. And honestly, what I did recently was I ordered a 7x9 daily. I know when I said that I ordered it, a few people were like, don't you already have that planner? I did. I only get my dailies in 6-month time spans. So, oh my gosh. So now that I have put all of my stickers down on the wrong date, that's the kind of week that we're having. I warned you guys. we're gonna pick a different color. And you know what? I don't think I'm gonna cut any of that out because that's just like the real deal. All right, now I'm like, do I pick purple? Do I pick, I know that I've got some other ones in here. I may just end up picking gray because right now I'm so annoyed with myself. I cannot believe I just did that. Actually, I can. It matches the week so well. Like really just so well. I did that a few weeks ago where I planned my entire Sunday on Saturday because I hadn't used that page. Honestly, on the weekends, I don't always sit here and plan. It's just not my thing. Okay, now that we're on the right day, first up is focus, and then my to-do section. So what I was saying when I realized I was on the wrong day was that I ordered a 7x9 daily from Plum Paper. I'm not honestly 100% sure why, other than the fact that I just like changing things up. There's no real like rhyme or reason to why I do these things. It's just because I want to. All right, all the sections are labeled. Focus is going to be kind of the usual stuff. So it's going to be medication, vitamins, and then one of the things that I need to prep for is on Saturday, our Peloton will actually arrive, but I need to kind of clean up the area where it's going to go. So there's actually like 2 tubs of like old planner things, and when I say tubs, they are massive. Like they're just huge, and they're things that I need to go through and just finally part ways with and donate or just dump in the trash. And then there's just some other things that we need to move out of the area, and then the bike can go there. So I'm just gonna put garage prep because that is where our bike will go. I don't have an extra room in the house or a dedicated inside gym. Our house is just not that, just doesn't have that room. So definitely need to get that done. And I'm going to start my schedule over here starting at 6. I have been getting up a little bit earlier, but I just like the schedule on paper to actually start at 6. I don't know, I'm just used to it. So that's how we're gonna roll with that. Interesting thing that we can chat about, because I really need to continue chatting about this with someone. I just saw that, I believe it's Amazon that's going to be publishing this documentary about LuLaRoe. It's called Lula Rich. Oh my God. I just saw the preview. I shared it on my Instagram stories and I was like, blown away. It was like a 1.5-minute preview of this documentary. It's going to be a 4-part series, and I am just like, it's coming out September 10th. So yeah, mark your planners, calendars, whatever you use, and I'm going to be there. So I can't wait for it. I really cannot wait for it. So while I have some stickers here, I did share these stickers in my most recent haul video, and I think I'm going to try to squeeze in some of these in this layout here, but I don't really know what I'm going to use because I did not plan things. I might use this busy sticker. I do have a couple of meetings tomorrow. Ugh, it is also trash day. Okay. Oh gosh, I was not prepared for this. I really wasn't. I was literally like just looking and setting up my space to film, and I just told my family, hey, I'm gonna film. And I just sat down and filmed and just didn't really have a plan. So anyway, let's see. I think that might be it. Although there is cloth and paper happy hour, I could use that. I've been trying to kind of like chill out on the cloth and paper stuff because you kind of have to pick like your size from them, especially for the subscription. And since I was bouncing around from one thing to the next, I like paused my subscription for now. I already miss it, just saying. All right. First thing up is my AM routine. So anyway, back to the LuLaRoe thing. I am like, I've never been so excited for like a docu-series like in a really long time. And someone had replied to my stories and says this has like, you know, Tiger King. Is it Tiger King? I don't freaking know. But anyway, it has that level of like, you can't look away from this, and I feel that way. I cannot wait to watch. I can't wait. I cannot wait. All right, so I have a half day tomorrow. Not really sure that I told anyone at work that I was taking a half day, but I am. I am very lucky, and with my work schedule, I get to kind of pick my hours as long as I like fulfill my 40-hour situation, and I definitely did that this week. Like it was a hectic week, so I was like, you know what, on Friday I'm leaving early, so that's just busyness right there. And then I need to really go to the post office. What's still stuck on my hand? Trash day. Y'all, it's been a week. All right, so post office. Here I have got some giveaway mail, which I'm going to prep tonight to get in the mail so that I can do it on my way home, because I have been hanging on to this giveaway mail from National Planner Day. When was National Planner Day? August 1st. It is now August 20th, and I have not mailed it out. So if you're one of those winners and you're watching this, I am so sorry. It is going out this weekend, I promise. So need to get that done, and then I don't have anything else planned for the afternoon, and if it stays that way, I will be so freaking happy. I need to put this trash day sticker somewhere, and I might just throw it right here, even though our trash pickup is at, like, no lie, like 6 in the morning. They come so early that you're always like panicking if you put your trash out to the curb on time, or else they're just not, they don't care. All right, and then dinner for Friday night is always takeout. I had an interesting situation with dinner tonight. I was making chicken on the stove, and all of a sudden the burner that it was on, like, my favorite burner is the front left burner. You guys need to tell me. I know you have a favorite burner. You're probably like, what? Yes, I know you do. Tell me what your favorite burner is down in the comments. But my favorite burner decided to betray me, and it was like burning my chicken to holy hell for like, I couldn't figure out what was going on, so I turned down the heat, and it's still like nothing changed. And when I say I turned it down, I think the highest heat can go up to 10. I turned it down to 2, and it was still like nearly on fire. I was like, what in the world? So I just had to turn it off. So I told Jesse our stove is trying to die at the most inconvenient time. All right, I had to make sure I got my dot marker, because you guys know that is like my favorite, my absolute favorite. So plans for tomorrow, as far as doing things, I really hope it's just those 3 things. My goal tomorrow is to do not a whole lot. Really not a whole lot. Like, my biggest thing is just to fold the laundry from yesterday, really. I mean, and it's always on the list. You guys know this. It's like a constant task of mine. Let's see, what else? We really need to vacuum upstairs. By we, I mean somebody other than me. That would be great. And we'll just leave that last one open. It's Friday. I really do not want to do a whole lot of things. I want to come home and like veg out on the couch and watch YouTube or watch a movie, something like that. All right, but I do want to do some regular things like my daily delete. Love that. And then catch up, or I'm not really needing to catch up because I've been staying really on top of it every night. It's just part of my evening routine, which is my memory planner. Love that thing. I shared a few pictures on Instagram, like really not wanting to share too much. See, if you guys are actually paying attention and watching my video, you get to see like my setup of my planner there, my memory planner, but I don't show it a lot because it is something that I do want to keep private for the most part. So there's that. I love to do that every night, and then read. Hopefully, haven't been the greatest at it, but I'm still going to put it on here and hope that it can actually be checked off. And then skincare. When I get really busy, not gonna lie, that's one of those things where I'm like, I'll forget to wash my face, or I won't do my skincare routine, and it shows. And now that we're back to wearing masks pretty regularly, and especially for me, very regularly, I'm back to like breaking out, and breakouts just love masks. Not really. All right. Next up is content, and I do need to focus on some things here because I have been reached out by some pretty major companies, but I really need to see if it's going to fit in my schedule to work with them. You guys know I don't do a whole lot of sponsored content. I think I've done like not even four things over the last 5+ years. But there have been some opportunities that have come across that I really need to take a look at. So I need to look at contracts. Yay! It's a good problem to have, right? I guess. Then, of course, I need to take a look at some comments and messages. I love to stay on top of those. And if I get some time somewhere in this area in the afternoon, I would like to film a few reels. That's just the only way I'll ever fit it in, is when I do get out of work early, or maybe on a weekend if I've actually put on makeup and done my hair. Then I can get it done. I did a bunch a couple of months ago, and that's why I really haven't had to do any. But now I'm out of batched reels and actually have to film some more. And then, of course, just go through my emails because I'm a little bit behind. I have a lot of things flagged that I need to go back and look at, and I have not done that. So that is today. I love that I got to incorporate some stickers. This is like what motivates me to jump back into my planner after I haven't been in it for a few days, or, you know, whatever. So anyway, that's it for today's Plan With Me. I hope that you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today and watching me plan. I would love to hear your takes below on this whole Lula Rich docuseries coming out, and about your burner, because I don't know, I'm pretty bummed out if my stove is done, because that's expensive. Okay. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And if you're already subscribed, make sure that you click that red notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.